Thanks for staying with us at STL Live. I'm Sarah Bernard, and my guests are Elisa Maria Bender and Victor Espinoza of the Hispanic Festival. We've been talking about the growth of the Hispanic Festival events and outreach in the past 24 years, I guess, since it started here in St. Louis. And you guys have both been involved for a decade, you, Victor,
Correct.
and 2 decades for you. Is that right, Elisa?
Yes.
So that's a huge commitment. I didn't realize you. Everyone on the board is volunteer. You have meetings at some points in the year weekly to plan all these great events for us here in St. Louis.
Right. So us being volunteers, it's almost like a part-time job, but we all have a passion for it.
Yeah.
And we love St. Louis. We love the culture. We want to showcase it to St. Louis. So
yeah, and you must make wonderful friends being that involved in the organization, and you have to have a passion for it.
Right,
It's a great,
yes.
great way to give back to all of us. We benefit. So, all right, so let's talk about these events, because you've got more than one, 3, right? 3 different types of things coming
Yeah, we
up.
have 3 major events for the year. Our first one that's coming up in June is Fiesta in Florissant. We do it in North County. There's a large Hispanic population up in North County. So it's with the Latino bands, folkloric dancers, authentic foods, information, crafts from different countries. Our events are very family focused, so we also have a big children's area and pony rides and a petting zoo, a lot to do with the family. And what's great too is, all the kids' things are free. So you can come to our events actually and not bring any cash and still enjoy yourself. So.
Lots to do, see, hear, the music that Victor, we were talking about in the last segment, all the different things that come from the Hispanic home and that you're bringing out to everyone else.
Right.
So that sounds like fun. So Florissant, 2 days?
2 days at the Knights of Columbus Park in Florissant.
Okay, open to everyone, Hispanic or not.
Yes, yeah.
Come out and
everyone's welcome.
Yeah, and enjoy. I mean, it sounds like so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what's after that?
So then in September, we have the Greater St. Louis Hispanic Festival, and that's 3 days in September in Soulard Park, right next to Soulard Market. And again, we have the Latino bands, folkloric dancers, the food booths, different things like that, piñatas. And that one is actually even just a little bit bigger. And we have it down in the city to focus on the community that's in the city. And actually, there's a lot of Hispanics in Illinois, and it's easy for them to cross over.
Okay, great. And Victor, what would you say is different about the event in Soulard versus Florissant? Is it just larger, or are there other activities?
It's larger. We try to do something different on each one of them. On the one in Fiesta and Florissant, we actually have a couple of different things we like to incorporate, like the car show. We're bringing out lowriders and different cars that are built by people that showcase that kind of culture that they're all bringing of the cars. They actually decorate and make their own, so it kind of brings out that kind of atmosphere out here as well. We also do like a fashion show sometimes, or like a beauty contest for the young children, because we like to get the children involved as well in our events, because we want them to get to know their culture, as well as they'll probably be our future.
Yeah, absolutely. And your future board members help start them early. So that's Florissant, and then Soulard is no car show, right?
Well, we do have they have a smaller on a Sunday where they come and they just kind of have a hangout.
Okay.
Some of their car show members come out, and they bring some of the vehicles, bicycles as well too, and they just hang out, more of a family atmosphere, more like a picnic.
Yeah.
They showcase their cars and their bicycles as well, but they're more hanging out and enjoying the festivities there.
Okay, great. And then you cap the year with
Dia de los Muertos, Day of the Dead. So yeah, we have that end of October this year, and we do that in partnership with the Missouri History Museum, which is great. And that's another 2-day, and that actually, I will say, it's even more artistic than normal. So we have a art display inside the museum, and then we have a artistic performance that goes on in there. We do altars. We do about 12 or so altars dedicated to whoever has passed away.
And these are all on display in
Yes.
the History Museum?
Yes, yeah.
Okay.
And then we also knew that we did this past year, which we'll do again, is we actually brought in food booths because everyone loves the food. So we'll have food booths there too, and we do a soccer clinic also with one of it's called St. Louis Club Atletico, which is a soccer clinic with them too.
Oh, great.
This event.
Lots of good stuff.
Yeah.
Lots of great stuff.
We're always trying to get ideas on what to incorporate in our events too. So, I mean, if you guys ever have any ideas, let us know. I mean, we'll try to bring it out as well too. Like I said, on that Day of the Dead, it's more of a celebration of our previous past, of people that passed away.
Yeah.
So we like to show what they used to like.
Yeah. So you're always looking for more volunteers. You don't have to be Hispanic.
Correct.
Is that right? Just be interested in the culture, bringing it to St. Louis. So lots of great stuff coming up. Visit Hispanic Festival STL.com for a schedule of all of these events. And there's more STL Live after this. Stay with us.